This is the suspension hoop from the 25. You can see why I'm replacing it. There's this large gap down here. Here's the one I'm going to replace it with. And this is the suspension hoop to the 28 that I'm going to replace it with. So what I'm doing is cleaning up the metal hoop prior to paint. I'm using mineral spirits and green Scotch-Brite. I'm just getting the gunk, the layout fluid, sanding residue, everything off, loosened up, wiped off. Then I'm going to paint this with a Benjamin Moore Corotech paint. And it dries to the touch in 15 minutes. So I'll spray the top, flip it over, spray the bottom, come back. By the time I'm done cleaning the paint gun, I'll be able to put everything away. Give that 15 minutes, come back, turn it over, and do one more coat. It's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to hope my paint gun's not all dried up. Get these flipped over and propped up. Finish painting them, clean up the gun, put everything away. I know it's dark and you can't see anything, but these are done, and I'm just going to leave them out. I'm not worried. I'll come back tomorrow and basically just put these away until I'm done and ready to put them on the drums.